Jai Hind everyone, this is Harshika Saini, and today I will be speaking on the 77th Republic Day of our nation, which we proudly celebrate on 26 January every year. So on this historical day in 1958, the Constitution of India came into force, and our nation, that is India, officially became a secular, socialist, sovereign and a democratic republic. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Constitution of India, laid the foundation of fraternity, equality, justice and liberty for every citizen of nation. Republic Day signifies that the power of India lies with its people, not with a foreign ruler or a king. The Republic Day celebration was started by the flag hosting by our President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, who is also the Supreme Commandant of the Indian Armed Forces, followed by the national anthem and 21 gun salutes, which showcases the sovereign status of our nation. The theme of the 77th Republic Day celebration was 150 years of Vande Mataram. It showcased the diversities of culture and the technological development of our nation. The brave soldiers from the army, the navy and the air force marched in perfect rhythm, and the advancements such as the advanced defense systems such as BrahMos and Akash were also showcased here. One of the most exciting part was the air show by the Indian Air Force, which included 29 aircrafts, including the Rafale, the Sukhoi 30s and helicopters, forming the different formations, thrilling the audience. As we celebrate the 77th Republic Day, India stands strong as a global growing power. But Republic Day is not only a day for celebration, but we should remind ourselves that we should follow its values in our daily lives, such as our responsibilities towards our duties, our honesty, unity and service before self. And as a youth of a nation, we must understand that the nation depends on our duties, on our responsibilities, and if we do our duties with full responsibility and honesty, the progress of our nation will become unstoppable. In the conclusion, I would like to say that a strong constitution makes a strong nation, and a responsible citizens make a responsible or a great republic. Jai Hind, thank you.